of a road trip, by the way. Having the car washed. Oh, look at that. Wow, don't damage my car, okay? Is it really going to do it properly?
Oh naman. It's been tested.
Look. I like this.
And he will enjoy it.
I will take Christian here next time. Oh my God, look.
Walang ganito sa atin eh, no?
No.
Kasi nasa bata.